The death toll from novel coronavirus in China has touched 811 today. Nearly 37,198 people have now been infected by the new coronavirus in China, believed to have emerged last year in market that sold wild animals in Hubei's capital Wuhan before spreading across China. According to reports, the epidemic has prompted the government to lock down whole cities as anger mounts over its handling of the crisis, especially after a whistleblowing doctor fell victim to the virus. A 3-member cycle expeditions team of RS Group Nainital in Uttarakhand, who arrived in Imphal yesterday to convey a message on safe earth free from pollution, left Imphal today. The trio will further travel to other parts of the country to spread awareness of the plastic-free environment. 75 gunny bags containing poppy seeds, Ruli reverse cigarettes and Isa light cigarettes were seized at Ima Konthong Lairembi, More police checkpost by police yesterday evening. The seized items were carrying in 3 vehicles coming from More side. The items worth rupees 20 lakhs in the international market, a police report said. Pari Imom Sindam Sangh celebrated its 36th Foundation Day today at its premises at Pangai, Imphal. A 3-day-long annual literary meet, which was held to mark the Foundation Day, concluded today at the school premises. Construction work for the Greenfield Airport in Holongai of Arunachal Pradesh is set to begin soon. According to media reports, the construction work has been awarded to Gujarat-based firm MS Dinesh Chandra R. Agrawal Infracon Private Limited yesterday. As per the Airports Authority of India AAI, the work has been awarded to the Ahmedabad-based firm followed a tender process. At least 25% Bharatiya Janata Party BJP supporters voted in Delhi elections 2020 because of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, according to an exit poll survey. The exit poll survey also said that 57% BJP supporters voted in the name of central government's good performance. The exit poll survey has indicated a return for the ruling Aam Aadmi Party AAP with a victory in 59 to 68 assembly constituencies. Thai security forces today shot dead a rough soldier who went on a rampage in a shopping mall in northeastern city, ending an overnight siege after a series of attacks that left at least 20 people dead. Public Health Minister Anutin Charvirakul confirmed the soldier has been shot dead at the Terminal 21 mall in the city of Rakun, Ratsima, media reports said. 2 US service members were killed and 6 others wounded after an attack on a joint US-Afghan operations in the Nangarhar provinces in eastern Afghanistan yesterday. The wounded service members were receiving medical treatment at a US facility. Current reports indicate a person in an Afghan uniform opened fire on the combined US and Afghan forces with a machine gun at a Sarjat district center. Canadian teenager Leila Annis Fernandez caused a huge shock in the FedUp qualifiers yesterday when she beat Switch world number 5 Belinda Bencic in Bain, but it proved in vain as Switzerland progressed to appeals finals. According to media reports, Spain ranked into Fed Cup finals as Carla Suarez Navarro claimed the winning point at the La Manga Club.